everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. So let's get started. I'll be using the Ayurvedic powder from Beautify by Chana. This is their secret 16 hair growth cocktail, and you can find the discount code in that link. And also, these are all the ingredients in it. This ingredient is a powerhouse for strengthening your hair for moisture. So we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of this mixture, this growth mixture right there. Yeah, so you guys don't forget to look in the description area. Okay, I'll be taking 1 to 2 teaspoons of Jamaican black castor oil. And Jamaican black castor oil, we all know it helps to thicken the hair, and it's also good for moisture. Okay, moisture retention. We're going to be using deep conditioner. This is the Beautify by Chana deep conditioner, and mine is almost gone. You can use any deep conditioner you want, but please make sure that it's a bit moisturizing. Okay, and even if it's not, don't worry, I got you. So I'm going to take all of my deep conditioner. I pretty much finished it. My daughter's hair is really long and it's thicker than mine, so I will need more conditioner. So I'm going to be using their rinse out conditioner. Yes, I know that's finished. This is their miracle growth conditioner. I'm going to be putting a little bit of amount of it just to help with spreading the powder. Now, if you don't want to use conditioners, you can also use aloe vera juice or even water or even oils. I find that for moisture, conditioner are great to create that moisturizing mask. I'm going to be also adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is so moisturizing. You all add it to any mixture you do and you are ready to go. So I'll give it like a good mix, and yeah, so after giving it a good mix, I will be adding more conditioner off camera. So I added 1 more teaspoon of the Jamaican black castor oil, and you can see how much more creamier it looks. So are you guys ready? Okay, let's get ready. Okay, this is my daughter, and she put her hair, she actually did this style herself, and she put rubber bands, and I'm using the Heritage by Mindy. Kind of, this is what we used to like remove the rubber band, and it's so safe, it's so great, and it just goes in there and pop like that, and it's gone. It removes the rubber band without damaging the hair. So you want to shampoo the hair first. Okay, this. If you don't use a good shampoo to shampoo the hair, you'll find that your hair will not retain moisture because you still have product buildup. So I'm shaking the shampoo very well, and I'm applying the shampoo first to the scalp. Okay, you want to apply it first to the scalp. We're washing our hair in twists to help with manageability, and when you want to retain your hair growth, washing your hair in twists is very beneficial. So because she's high porosity, her hair started drying out already, so I'm just adding a little bit of water, and then I'll proceed to massage her scalp. You see how this shampoo is also from Beautify by Chana. You all have a discount code, affiliated discount code that you can use. It was at the beginning of this video, and you can also find in the description area. So you want to wash the hair thoroughly, and you want to wash it until you don't see any dirt in it. Okay, so I'm also applying some to the hair. Yeah, please people, if you're washing scalp, also wash hair. You see how dirty that is? Look. Yeah, please wash your hair, just not your scalp. Okay, so we're gonna give it a good rinse it thoroughly. After you rinse it thoroughly, the water should run clear. But you see now, if you look at the water is not running clear. Yet another point I want to give you: to get your hair moisturized, remove all product buildup. So to do that for our hair, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I am repeating this step again. I get many people asking me, my hair is dry, my hair doesn't stay moisturized, my hair is not moisturized. You all try this and come back and let me know. Look at this. You see how the suds are clean, and when you rinse the hair, you see that the hair will totally rinse out clean. This is what you want. You want the suds to be clean and the hair to rinse out clear. Okay, you want the water to be clear. So we have rinsed out the hair. Now the hair is free of nothing, of everything. You're gonna dry the hair with a microfiber towel. That doesn't make your hair feel so dry and hard and whatever. So you see our hair. You see how dark it looks compared to the beginning? Yeah, our hair is clean. So we're going to use this mixture. Now you'll be wondering what is in this mixture that will help with moisture. So a couple of things that are in this mixture that will help with moisture and strengthening and hair growth. Amla, it has henna, which works really well together to maintain your hair, make it healthy, make it glossy. It also contains fenugreek, Bhringraj, chebe powder that helps to stimulate hair growth and strengthen the hair. It contains Neem, Hibiscus powder that helps with itchiness. It contains ginger. It contains so much more, even Moringa, so much more. So yeah, so this is what our hair looks like. I've applied the product to our hair and I'm just going to twist it up and repeat the step on each stage of caring or applying the product to our hair, okay? So this is our hair after I've applied everything in. You want to make sure you get it everywhere, especially if you look at the product. You see that I kind of applied more to the ends. Do you notice that? Why did I do that? I did that because the ends of the hair are the driest part. So you want to put more products to the ends of the hair. Have you guys subscribed? Have you guys liked this video? Have you guys shared this video? Please do share it with other people because people are suffering out there and you can get all this good and not share it with other people, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna cover her hair with a plastic cap. And yeah, she's laughing. She was like, oh my gosh, because her hair was so much fuller and so much bigger. And then she's gonna use this heated cap we got from Hot Head. It's so good. Okay, so this stuff is good for children because they don't want to sit under the dryer. I would have sat under the dryer, but she's like, Mom, no. So she's gonna sit have this thing on her head for I believe, yeah, right, 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes, girl, we're not done, girl. Don't be blowing kisses. We're not done. So after 30 minutes, we're going to rinse out the hair. Rinse it thoroughly. Okay, rinse it until it is clear. Unless, you're going to still have that stuff in your hair. Okay, you don't want it. So let's go. Okay, after rinsing it out, you want to assess the hair, look through the hair, make sure everything looks good. Yo, do you see how full her hair is? Do you see how fluffy her hair is? Yeah, her hair is so moisturized. Look at her curls. Look at that. Her curls are like loving this stuff. Yo, try this for your children. Come back and tell me later. Follow up with a leave-in conditioner, a moisturizer. Our hair felt so soft. Oh my goodness. So after doing this, I actually braided up her hair, gave her like those jumbo box braids. You can see that on our Instagram page, Discovering Natural. It's so beautiful. If you guys want me to show you how I do it, okay, I'll show you. Anyway, so this is her hair. It looks so beautiful. Her hair is so soft. You all check out Beautify by Chana. They have a sale going on Monday, April the 26th. The sale is for all that day. Okay, lots and lots of sales. So you guys check them out and okay, put in your order, use my coupon code. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, you can blow kiss now. Blow kiss now. Mwah. Thank you, baby.